And I've got my friend Odessa I'm going to bring up on stage here for just a second. And in the meantime, we are still looking for some volunteers. We had a bunch of people who volunteered. If you're already at the Kids Castle, please stay put. Thank you so much. But if you are able to help volunteer, there's a couple of stations that we're just needing some extra help and support. And your support would be very much appreciated. And you can just check in over at the tan tent over here on the corner, the Freedom Organization tent. Come on up, Odessa. This is Odessa Orlowitz from Liberty Talk. Oh, hello. So I'm here to tell you about reality. So Danielle and Alicia, as well as Amanda and Tanya and Brian and a couple unknowns. I'm going to be blunt. I'm from Liberty Talk Canada, and that's my job. That's what I do. They spent $15,000 to put this on for all of us from their own pockets. So if you're feeling that, you know, karma, energy, they have not been reimbursed yet through donations. If anybody wants to give a tiny or a big donation to help them out with the cost, they are not making money off this, okay? They are in the hole big time. If you would like to donate, they've got boxes here. And if you don't have cash, they can tell you where you can email or other stuff. So here's the girls. Please let them know. I mean, most Canada Day celebrations cost money. If you can just give your pocket change, it will really help them out to say thanks for putting this on. And they took so much risk putting this on with no permits. And they're just taking the brunt for everything. So thank you so much. Karma, energy, love, $5. If you're rich, $100, $1,000. Please tell them how happy you are they put this on for you. Thank you. Love you, Beth. Appreciate the shout out. You know what? This is a pleasure. And anybody who knows me knows I love to throw a party. And these guys are amazing. So thank you, thank you. We've got some awesome music up for you guys. We got